first ever Korean lilac. Wow. I just planted it. This is the first watering it's getting. I'm gonna water it for a minute or two since it's the very first time. And I'm gonna water it once or twice a week per the instructions since it's newly planted. And then less frequently afterwards. I recently watered plants 1, 2, and 3, or trees 1, 2, and 3. So I'll top them off a little bit today, but wow, this was a gorgeous plant right from the beginning. It smells amazing. This is the first one that I saw. They had many of these available at the nursery, but I grabbed the first one, of course. And it smells amazing. I got a little bit of an allergy because I guess I'm just not used to smelling it so up close, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. And what a gorgeous, gorgeous plant. I saw that there were some big bees already enjoying it. That's awesome. I'm super excited that it's in contrast to the Emerald Arbor Vitae that I have over there. I was considering another one of those, and I was also considering a cherry blossom, but the cherry blossom was too big to fit inside of my car, so I have to get that delivered. But I'm so excited because I'm gonna log this in Logtrees, of course, and it'll make my nursery in-game even nicer as I add more updates. And I'm also excited now to consider all of the customization opportunities possible in the reel as I get even more trees and plants. Super excited. Stay tuned for more updates. I hope you are having an amazing Earth Day, or as I like to say it, Earth Week. The Earth deserves more than just a day, of course. Happy Earth Day. God bless you. I love you. And stay tuned for more updates. Peace. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous. Look at this. Look at these. Wow. Wow, they smell so good. Freshly watered. Trees 1, 2, and 3. Super excited for more log trees. Super excited. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm excited to have this leftover pot now that I can use for plants.